Well, it's that time of year again. Ho ho ho. Wait, what are you gonna do? Do something. Yeah, I guess you're gonna back in. I just haven't decided what to do. Well, you back in. I'm gonna get the drive-through.
Hi there, how may I help you?
Yes, I will have a Parmesan chicken sandwich,
Okay,
Bacon King sandwich,
sure.
and ghost pepper chicken nuggets.
I'm sorry, we're actually sold out of those at the moment.
Oh,
Alright,
how about a Sunday pie?
Sure.
That'll be all.
Thank you. 1574, please.
Thank you. For the Sunday pie, if I want to wait to eat it when I get back home, what would you recommend?
I'll grab you one out the freezer so it stays cold longer. How about that? Alright, here's the sandwiches and the pies out of the freezer.
All right, thank you very much. Hi, welcome to Jamie's Product Reviews. Some people's favorite food and toy product reviewer. Hopefully I'm somebody's favorite. I'm going to review a returning item. First made an appearance way back in 1979. God, has it been that long? I mean, wow. I was 5 years old in 1979. I started kindergarten in 1979. Disco was still popular in 1979. But anyway, here's the Parmesan chicken sandwich. It's got Parmesan sauce, gooey melted white cheese, and a long chicken patty on the classic chicken sandwich style. So, let's not waste any time. Okay. Well, I like the zesty flavor of that Parmesan sauce. The chicken patty is pretty soft. There isn't a lot of crunch in the chicken, but that's alright. The bun feels hot and fresh. And some of the cheese managed to escape the situation a little bit, so let's try the cheese solo dolo. Yeah, this is just the right kind of cheese to go along with this. The flavors, I like the chewy texture, I like how hot and fresh it tastes. It's very good, but it's not excellent. I mean, it still does not compare to the spicy chicken sandwiches. I mean, those are to die for. If the spicy chicken is a king, then it's like the Parmesan chicken sandwich is, I don't know, Prince. It's a good sandwich. It's nice for what it is. But if I had the choice between this and the chicken, you can guess what I'm going to choose. So I give the Parmesan chicken sandwich a very high 4 out of 5. I'm going home now to nuke the rest of this, and to well, not the pies. I don't want to nuke those because that would be a pretty messy situation. So hope we're all enjoying the start to the holiday season. I'll see you all next video, whenever or whatever that may be. Bye bye. letting St. Charles know how to signal anymore.